In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot or how to screen record using your Mac Mini M4. It's very easy, so let's get started. The Mac Mini has an app already installed when you get it that is able to do what you're looking to do right now. So there's two ways to launch this app. First of all, you can go ahead and click on the app launcher over here where all your apps are located. The app we're looking for is called Screenshot. Usually it's hidden, it's not available with the other one. You need to go over here and then you're gonna find it, Screenshot. This is a bit time consuming, so another way on how you can do this is also go on the top right corner where you see the magnifying glass. Click on it and type Screenshot. It should be here, you see, Screenshot. Additionally, you can take it and place it over there on your dock, so it will be always available to you one click away. So let's launch this Screenshot app. Once you launch it, you're gonna notice you have all these options over here. These options can be moved, so you can place them somewhere on the screen where they're not annoying you. So the first option over here is to capture the entire screen if you want to take a screenshot of everything. So if you click on it, you see there's no more square on the screen. If you click the second one, capture select window, it will capture the window that is on the display only. It will not capture, let's say, my desktop over here. It will not capture my launch bar on the bottom here. It will only capture the window. So this is great if you don't want to show all your personal things that are in the background. And finally, you have over there, capture selected portion, and this is adjustable. You see, if I drag the corner, I can place this whatever I want. Let's say I just want a small portion because I want to hide everything else from the viewer. Well, I can simply capture that. So these three options over here are for a screenshot, a picture. If you want to record your screen, a screen recording, well, you have these two options, the next ones. Record the entire screen or record a portion of the screen that you customize the same way we did previously. And then we have the options over here, which are quite important. First of all, over there, it will ask you where do you want the screenshot or the screen recording to be saved on your Mac Mini M4. You have multiple options, so maybe you want a specific folder. You can input it here simply by clicking other locations if it's not one of those that is already listed. Then you have timer. By default is none, which means once you click enter or record over here, it will start automatically. But maybe you want a small timer, maybe you want 5 seconds just to prepare yourself. Well, in this case, you can select 5 or 10 seconds. Finally, over there you have microphone. Well, the Mac Mini M4 does not have any microphone built in. So if you have a separate external mic, in that case, it will appear over here once it's connected, obviously, and you'll be able to select it so you can do a voice over your screen recording. This won't do anything for a screenshot, obviously. Then you have show floating thumbnail. Let me demonstrate what it means. So I'll select a screenshot here of that and I'll press enter, or you can press the capture button here. Once it's made, you're gonna see a small thumbnail appearing here, and if you go ahead and click on it, you'll be able to open it. It will be saved, but you'll also be able to open it simply by clicking on the small thumbnail that will appear during about 3 or 4 seconds, then it disappears. But your file still stays on your computer, it won't disappear. And then if we go back, you have remember last selection, which I think it's very important. Let's say I want to take screenshots of this specific part of the screen, but multiple of them. If you check this option over here, every time you're going to open the screenshot app, it will remember the last thing you did and you can simply click capture and it's much quicker. So this is it. This app comes pre-installed on your Mac Mini. You don't have to download anything. It's quite easy to use and very useful. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.